Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all my students. Okay, so today we are going to discuss on the last final part of lecture 5 of 5. Okay, part 5 for 9.3 continuous random variable. Okay, so for this time we're gonna do. Okay, for this time we're going to look at two important things for this topic. Okay, for this subtopic, which is the expectation and variance of the continuous random variable. So mean or expectation of continuous random variable. So x is a continuous random variable with the probability density function of fx. Then the expected of x is equal to the integral of x multiplied with the function of fx dx. So then, if gx is a function of a continuous random variable, then expected of function of gx equal to integral from negative to positive infinity of gx multiplied with the function of fx dx. Okay. In particular for gx equal to x squared. Okay, we are not going to discuss much on this part here. We're going to look strictly into an example to make clear what is all about that. And variance, standard deviation of a continuous random variable. Variance equal to, we call the symbol of sigma square, which is expected of x squared minus in bracket or expected of x in bracket squared. So then standard deviation equal to square root of we call variance here. Okay. So the first part here, ex expected of x or mean here. Okay, mean or expected of continuous random variable is integral of x multiplied with fx dx. And the properties of this is also things that we're going to use to solve a few questions. We call example then. Okay, to solve the questions for this topic. So given here now, a continuous random variable x has a following probability density function. Find ex and variance, and this one here too. Okay, so to find the ex or expected or mean is easy, but for this one, okay, as we know that it is expected of ex squared minus expected of x in bracket square. Meaning, to solve this question, we can use the result of expected of x from question number 1. But for question number 2, we need to come up with another integral with a value of x squared. Okay, for this one, expected of x, once we get the value here, so we squared all of them. So there are two different things here. Okay, so now let's start with our what we call the solution here. But before that, let me copy all the questions again. Given here fx equal to, okay, the first one is 1 over 5 for x lies in between negative 1 until 0. Okay, 1 over 5 plus 6 over 5x. For x lies in between 0 until 1 and 0 otherwise. Okay, so then here, let's use the number line to show, so we call the story of this. From negative 1 until 0, there is a function which is 1 over 5, and from 0 until 1. There are also a function involved here with 1 over 5 plus 6 over 5x, meaning 0 otherwise. So the rest of the domain here, from negative infinity until negative 1 and 1 to positive infinity, then the function is 0. So we may ignore this part and this part. We only refer to this and this domain here, since that these two domains has a function. Okay, so now expected of x equal to integral from negative to positive infinity of the x fx dx. By the way, from negative infinity to negative 1 and 1 to positive infinity, we may ignore it, okay? So we're just focusing on these two part here, and negative 1 from negative 1 to 0, x multiplied with 1 over 5 dx. Okay, x multiplied with fx dx. Since that fx equal to 1 over 5 here, so x multiplied 1 over 5 dx plus with from 0 until 1. Okay, again, x multiplied with 1 over 5 plus 6 over 5x dx. Okay, so just imagine that this 1 over 5 is a constant, take it outside, so integral of x dx, it gives you 1 over 5 x squared divided by 2 from negative 1 until 0 plus with, okay, and this one here now, it is integral from 0 until 1, it is 1 over 5x plus 6 over 5 x squared, x multiplied with an x dx. Okay, now make this one as an x squared divided by 10 from negative 1 until 0 plus with, okay, let's integrate this 1 by 1. So integral of 1 over 5x, 1 over 5 x squared divided by 2 plus 6 over 5 integral of x squared equal to x cubed divided by 3 from 0 until 1. Okay, so this one we simplified. 5 times 2 equal to 10, 5 times 3 equal to 15. Okay, so we substitute the value of 0 and negative 1 by 1. Substitute 0 first. 0 squared divided by 10 is 0 minus negative 1 square equal to 1 over 10. Okay, so these two result of this part here. Now we look at this part here now. Okay, substitute x with 1 first. So 1 square equal to 1 over 10 plus 1 cube equal to 1 times 6 equal to 6 divided by 50 minus, okay, so now time for us to substitute the value of x equal to 0, 0, 0, so everything 0 here. Okay, so 0 minus 1 over 10, negative 1 over 10 plus with, okay, so it's time now for recall to solve this part here now. 10 and 15, the nearest, which I think that let's make this one 30, okay, 30 and also 30. 10 multiplied with 3 equal to 30, so 1 times 3 equal to 3, so 3 over 30. 15 times 2 equal to 30, so 6 times 2 equal to 12. Okay, so now plus with this one here, 3 plus 12 equal to 15 divided by 30. So let's simplify this one here now. This part here now, 10 to equalize the denominator here, this 10 we multiply with 3, it gives you 30. So 1 times 3 equal to 3. So negative 3 plus 15 equal to 12 divided by 30. Okay. 12 divided by 30. Okay. Simplify this, which I think that we can simplify. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 equal to 6 times 2 equal to 12. 6 times 5 equal to 30. So 2 over 5. Okay. So that is a result of expected of x. Okay, for question number 1. No, question number 1 here. Okay, next one. For question part 2, variance of x. So before we find the value of x, we need to find that make this one here ex squared minus ex in bracket square. So this is the thing that we need to find out before we can find the variance of x. So now again, ex squared equal to integral from -1 until 0 x squared multiplied 1 over 5x plus from 0 until 1 x squared multiplied with the function of fx 1 over 5 plus 6 over 5x dx. Okay, so class, before we continue, which I think that I found that my mistake here, that's actually that there is no x in this function, because for the first function of here is 1 over 5 only. There is no 1 over 5 times x. Sorry. So x squared times 1 over 5 respect to the x. Okay. So okay, again, the function of 1 over 5 times x squared here, and also x squared with this one. Okay, now integrate this one by one. So 1 over 5 integral of x squared, it give you x cubed divided by 3 from -1 until 0 plus with, okay, integral of this one here, 1 over 5 x squared plus 6 over 5 x squared multiplied with the x equal to x cubed dx. So x cubed divided by 15, -1, 0 plus with, okay, integral of 1 over 5 x squared, it gives you 1 over 5 x cubed divided by 3 plus 6 over 5 integral of x cubed x power 4 divided by 4. Okay, 5 times 3 equal to 15 and 5 times 4 equal to 20. Okay, so substitute the value of x one by one. We give it 0 here, start with 0 here. 0 cubed equal to 0 divided by 15 equal to 0 minus, okay, -1 cubed equal to -1 over 50. So the result of substituting value here is all here now, complete, plus with, okay, we solve this part here now. Okay, x cubed divided by 15, 6x to the power 4 divided by 20. Substitute x with 0, with 1 first. 1 and 1. 1 cubed equal to 1. So 1 over 15 plus 1 over 4 is 1 times 6 equal to 6 over 20. Okay, and minus x equal to 0 here. 0 and 0, so everything is 0. Okay, negative become positive, so 1 over 15 plus with, okay, let's make this one as 15 times 4 equal to 60. 20 times 3 equal to 60. So 15 times 4 equal to 60. 1 times 4 equal to 4. 20 times 3 equal to 60. So 6 times 3 equal to 80. Okay, now 4 plus 18 is 22. Sorry. 22 divided by 60. So to make this one, equalize the denominator. 15 times 4 equal to 60. 1 times 4 equal to 4. So 22 plus 4 equal to 26 divided by 60. Okay, 26 divided by 60 divided by 2. Divided by 2 equal to 13, and 60 divided by 2 equal to 30. Okay. So now, to find the variance of x, okay, to find the variance of x equal to ex squared minus ex in bracket squared. Ex squared we will find here, which is 13 over 30 minus, okay, ex. Let's see the result of this, which is 2 over 5. So then 2 over 5 in bracket squared. Okay, so then 13 over 30 minus 2 squared equal to 4, 5 squared equal to 25. Okay, so let's simplify this. 30 and 25. 30 times 5 equal to 150. 25 times 6 equal to 150. So 30 times 5, so 13 times 5, and minus this one here. Use your calculator, then it gives you 41 divided by 150. Okay. Okay, so next one. The question wants us to find the expected of 3 minus 7x. Okay, so for this one here, it is 3 minus 7 expected of x. So refer to the formula of what we call from these two. Okay, expected of ax plus b minus b, here a with the expected of x. So variance, we look into, we call the constant with the variance of x here, a squared. Okay. So now this is 3 minus 7, and next value of expected of x equal to, so what is the value of expected of x? 2 over 5. Okay, so 2 over 5, 3 minus 7 times 2 equal to 14 divided by 5, and 3. 3 times 5 equal to 15 over 5 minus 14 over 5. Equalize the denominator. Okay, turn these numbers into a fraction with a denominator of 5 to equalize with the other fraction of this here. Okay, 5 and 5, so 15 minus 14 equal to 1 over 5. Okay, and then next one here, variance of, a variance of negative 5x. Okay, is that it? Variance of negative 5x, there you go. So this one here now is negative 5 squared times variance x. So negative 5 squared equal to 25, and variance of x equal to 41 over 150. 41 divided by 150 equal to, okay, 25 times 4 times 6, 25, 50, 75, 100, 135, 160. Okay, so 6. So 25 divided by 150 equal to 6. It is 41 divided by 6. There you go. Okay, so next, example here. A continuous random variable x has the following probability density function of, okay, given here is a constant of k, so we need to recall to find the value of k and rewrite everything of the function here with a value of new value of k. So as a function for this part here, then we can find the ex and variance of x. So to find this k, we're gonna use the formula of this negative infinity to positive infinity fx dx equal to 1. Okay, we're gonna use this to find the value of k. So from 0 until 2, so there is a function exists here which is k times 2 minus x in bracket square. The rest of this otherwise here is 0 and 0. Okay, so we may just concentrate on this domain only. Okay, then fx equal to k 2 minus x square for x in between 0 until 2 and then 0 otherwise. So now integral of k 2 minus x square dx equal to 1 from 0 until 2. Okay, so then factorize this. K is a constant, take it outside. Okay, so k integral, the result of integration of this 2 minus x power of 3 divided by 3, and integral of derivative of 2 minus x equal to negative 1. Okay, so make this one as equal to 1. Okay, now from 0 until 2, okay, now substitute with x equal to 2 first. So x equal to 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, 0 cubed divided by 3 is 0, minus, substitute x with 0 here, so 2 minus 0 equal to 2, 2 cubed equal to 8 divided by negative 3 equal to 1. Negative times negative, positive here, so it is k multiplied with 8 over 3, 8 over 3, k equal to 1, then k equal to 3 over 8. So let's rewrite this one here, this function here with a new value of k. So fx equal to, okay, 3 over 8 multiplied with 2 minus x square for x in between 0 until 2 and 0 otherwise. Okay, so this is the proper order function that we're looking for, that we're going to use to continue our our mission here now. So first, let's find out the ex equal to, okay, and again, because there's only one domain from 0 until 2 that has a function, the rest is 0, so we may concentrate on this part here. Integral of x multiplied with, okay, 3 over 8, 2 minus x square dx from 0 until 2. Okay, so take the 3 over 8 is a constant. 3 over 8 integral of, okay, so let's expand this first, 2 minus x in bracket square, then we multiply with the x here, so that x 2 square, okay, is expansion of this, 2 times 2 equal to 4, minus 4x plus x squared dx, and 3 over 8 integral of 4x minus 4x squared plus x cubed dx. 3 over 8. So we integrate this one by one, come up with 4x squared divided by 2 minus 4x cubed divided by 3 plus x4 divided by 4 from 0 until 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, 4 over 3, and x4 divided by 4. So let's substitute x with 2 first. Okay, substitute x with 2, so x 2 squared equal to 4 times 2 equal to 8 minus 2 cubed equal to 8. 8 times 4, 32 divided by 3, and x equal to 2, 2 power 4, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Minus, so substitute x with 0. 0, 0, 0. Okay, everything 0 here. Okay, so now 3 over 8. 8 plus 4 equal to 12 minus 32 divided by 3. Okay, so you may find out this answer here, and this one, it gives you 1 over 2. So find out yourself how you're going to find out this one here as 2 over 2, or never mind, I'll show you. 12 times 3 equal to 24 over 3 minus 32 over 3. Okay, 24 minus 32 equal to, wait a minute, 12 times 3 equal to 36. Sorry. Okay, 12 times 3 equal to 36. So 36 minus 32 equal to 4 over 3. So 3 divided by 3, 4 divided by 8 equal to 1 over 2. Okay, and then to find the variance of x, let's rewrite the function on the next, on next slide. It is fx equal to 3 over 8, 2 minus x squared, 4x in between 0 until 2, isn't it? 3 over 8, 2 minus x squared, 0 until 2, that's it. And 0 otherwise. Okay, now to find the variance, we need to find this. So to find this one here, we come up with integral of x squared multiplied with 3 over 8, and then 2 minus x squared dx. Okay, so let's continue. For this one here now, 3 over 8 integral of 4x squared minus 4x cubed plus x squared with a square x power 4 dx. 4x squared, 4x with x squared, 4x cubed. Okay, so then 3 over 8, integrate this, 4x cubed divided by 3 minus 4x4 divided by 4 plus with x5 divided by 5 from 0 until 2. So it's time for us now to substitute the value of x, 2 and 0 into this function here now. So 3 over 8. Okay, substitute x and x with 2 first. So 2 cubed equal to 8. 8 times 4 equal to 32 divided by 3. 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Okay, So 2 to the power of 4, 2, 4, 8, 16 minus or plus here. Okay, so 2x equal to 2, 2 power of 5 equal to 32 divided by 5. Minus, so substitute now is for 0 here now. Substitute 0 here, here and here, so everything equal to 0. So 3 over 8. For this one here, you may use what we call calculator and it give you 16 over 15. 16 over 15. So simplify this. 8 with 16 give you 2, and here 3 with 15 is 5, so equal to 2 over 5. Okay, so this value and this value is the one that we call use to find the variance. So variance of x equal to ex square minus ex in bracket square. So ex square is already here, 2 over 5 minus, so ex equal to half or 1 over 2. 1 over 2 square. 2 over 5 minus 1 over 4. 5 times 4 equal to 20. So 5 times 4, 2 times 4 equal to 8 minus 1 times 5 equal to 5. 8 minus 5 equal to 3 over 20. Okay, so that is a value of variance of x. And next, if y, look at the question of C, if y equal to 3x minus 5, so let's find out EY. And this one here is expected of this function here, so it is the expected of 3x minus 5, which is 3 expected of x minus 5, so 3 expected of x equal to 1 over 2 minus 5. So 3 over 2 minus, okay, 3 times 1 equal 3 over 2 minus 5. 5 times 2 equal to 10 over 2. So 3 minus 10 equal to negative 7 over 2. Okay, so I counted it is negative 7 over 2. So then variant of y. So variant of all the function here, y equal to x minus 5 here equal to 3 square with the variance of x. Okay, actually that is a variance of 3x minus 5. So 5, recall, nothing happened here. So it's just between 3 and x, so 3 squared equal to variance of x. So 3 squared equal to 9, and variance of x is now variance of x equal to 3 over 20. 3 over 20. 9 times 3 equal to 27 divided by 20. Okay. So, which I think that will. Okay. That's it. So we complete we call our discussion or lecture for topic 9, random variables. So I do hope that all of you, okay, get ready, continue your tutorial and PSPN questions, and get ready for their final examination. And I do pray that all of you will successfully answer all the questions. And that's all for today. Thank you very much, and until we meet again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.